Fish on, fish on. Hey guys, what's going on? It's James, back here with another fishing video, and if you can tell by the fog behind me, it is early in the morning. It's about 6:10 in the morning. No, you can see me. It's about 6:10 in the morning, and I'm grinding on here. I'm going to fish Harpeth, maybe catch more than one fish this time. My voice is a little raspy, I think, but yeah, so I will see you guys at the Harpeth. Let's hope we can catch some big ones today. This bait right here is going to do a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage. Let me take it out and show it to you guys. It's essentially a gag, like a prank, like a gag gift, or like a gag bait, or whatever. So it's MTB exclusive. Yeah. So it's kind of cool looking. Except it's got this lip right here. That's pretty weird looking, but it's got this lip, so it works as a crankbait, a low water, shallow crankbait, but also works as a nice little topwater popper. So it's pretty small, and I've been catching some dinky fish out here. So I'm gonna see if I can catch fish on this little gag gift right here. So yeah, let's get fishing with this bad boy. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Let's go. Fish on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, drag. Come on. Woo! You jumped it, Dude, dang! Is that a smallmouth? I can't even tell what that is, dude. Whew. Okay. Look at that smallmouth. Okay, hopefully look at this smallmouth. First cast, I cast it out there. This freaking toad just absolutely destroys it. I mean, look at that thing. That thing is a chunky mother fricker. Dude, look at the chunk on that bad boy. Dang, dude, that's a nice fish. This is a heck of a fish, guys. Like, I'm gonna say 2 pounds, probably. Like a good fish. All right, let's go for the release. There he goes, that stud. He's going away so slow, dude. That is a brute. Dude, that fish is a monster, dude. It was jumping out of the water. Holy, that's my biggest river fish, dude. I'm saying 2.5 pounds smallie maybe. Biggest smallie by far. But that thing had some girth on it, dude. That thing was chunky. All right, let's catch another one, boys. I'm so hyped right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. This is good, bro. No. Oh my god. Dude. Frick. Oh my god. Dude. That's 2 fish. And, Alrighty guys, that is the end of the video. This trip definitely had some ups and some downs. Biggest smallmouth of my life. Good catch. Missed a bigger smallmouth right in front of me. He hit it and I tried to set the hook too quickly. Dude, and then reel went in from all the way on the other side of the river, all the way here. Try to flip him and he pops off. I mean, that's just gonna happen, but dude, that sucks. Like, I'm pissed. I'm still pissed. But biggest smallmouth of my life, so that's pretty cool. It was a good day all around. It was a good day. And but I have to call it a day because I've been out here all morning. It's like 8 o'clock. I've been out here for like 3 hours, 2 hours, but you know, gotta grind. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.